Okay, so let's get started. We can use help to see all of the commands that are available in the Pixeltable command line interface. I'm going to focus on just a few in this video to give you an idea. So let's start with just a good old ls. You can see everything that's in my catalog. It's quite large. We can also use an H flag to be able to see what other commands are available. We can try tree, which I like the view of. It gives you a nice directory and subdirectory view. So here you can see that I can also see whether something's a table or a view inside of a directory, which is helpful. Imaginary books is a pretty big directory that I have, so let's maybe dive into that one. You can see that I have one table in there and then two directories that contain tables as well. We can describe a table. So that's just looking at the schema for a table. You can do the exact same thing in the Python SDK with describe. We can also attach a JSON flag here so you can see it as structured metadata. We can also examine the columns in our table. So here I'm looking at the JSON version of the columns in that same photos table. We can also look at it just for the computed columns. And I'll show you also the unstructured view just so you can see it's a little bit harder to read in the terminal. Finally, let's go back. We can explore those other two directories, showcases and trailers, see what's inside of those. You can see I have a number of tables as well as some views. And inside trailers, we have a lot more, a lot of tables and views there. And you can see the number of columns per version. And let's wrap up by looking at the history of the photos table. So this shows you all the updates, deletes, errors, and schema changes.